Honor launched its new X series phone in some Asian market called Honor X9c. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X9c features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Honor X9c sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.75 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the pill-shape hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,600 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Magic OS 8.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65M certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.8 by 75.5 by 7.98 millimeters, and it weighs around 189 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X9c has been priced in Malaysia and Singapore as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in titanium purple, titanium black, and jade cyan color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X9c smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.